Thank you so much for sharing your journey with us. We're so thankful that you chose Dr. Brown to be your doctor. Tell me why you wanted to remove your implants and do this.
Well, my implants were starting to cause me issues. I had I think it's called the capsular contracture, is that what it's called? And I got it in one side, and the doctor, he said that he could remove it, but it was definitely going to happen in the other side, so just plan for that. And it did, in fact, happen in the other side. And I said, you know what? I just don't want to deal with this anymore. It actually ended up happening to me 3 times. And I said, you know what, no more. Plus, I started experiencing some weird symptoms that couldn't be explained. And I thought, you know, maybe having this foreign body does or doesn't have something to do with it, but taking it out would eliminate that as a cause. So I decided, let me just get rid of it. I already have things that cause my body inflammation. And then I went online and I did a ton of research in the area. And when I came across Dr. Brown's website and those pictures, the results, I said, this is the one. I came in for a consultation. I felt so comfortable with Dr. Brown, and she was very honest about what she could do for me, how it was going to look, and I was very confident that that was going to be my result. And
so have you had any noticeable difference in like the symptoms that you were having before?
Absolutely.
Really?
I have like no symptoms.
Wow.
So,
okay.
I mean, and really, that was the only thing that changed for me.
Okay.
So,
are you happy with the size?
I would not change a thing.
That's perfect.
I love the size. It suits me. I'm much more comfortable.
Do you feel lighter?
I feel lighter. I don't have any back issues either anymore.
Wow.
I had a lot of upper back issues, no more back issues. I don't have any issues doing certain exercises. They're not in the way.
Are you back to full activity now?
Full activity.
Okay.
Yes.
So I couldn't remember when you had your procedure done.
It was back in November, maybe about 8.5 months ago.
Okay.
But I was back to full activity by end of December.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. With mine, I had mine, 6 weeks ago, and I did my first Pilates last week.
Yeah.
And I have no issues either. I know.
The scarring, I mean, the way Dr. Brown is an artist, I mean, even down to, you know, my stitches, I healed beautifully. Like, you can barely even tell. It's like a paper.
Well, I was going to say we didn't see you back here for a while, so that's usually a good sign.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you feel like your scars are healing very well and very minimally?
Beautifully.
Okay.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your journey with us.
Thank you.
And your enthusiasm, and we loved having you as a patient.
Oh, I loved it. I loved it.
Thank you, Shatora.
Thank you.